How to buy from AliExpress in USA. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can buy from AliExpress in USA. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is you'll need to download the app called AliExpress. If not, you can simply use the website as well. Just go ahead and search for AliExpress and then open up your app. Make sure that you've set up your account. And after you've set up your account, you can then simply start browsing for stuff that you want. So let's say that this is what I want. And from here, I'll just select the item that I want. And after you're here, add it to cart. You can add this to cart or tap on buy now. You can check out later after you add this to cart. So let me add this to cart. Then go to my cart right here. Select the items that I want to buy. So let's say that this is what I want. I'll just unselect all of the other ones. And this is the only item that I want. I'll tap on checkout. Then choose a payment method. And you might have to just add your location first. So you can add a location if they ask you to. And then simply tap on place order after you've done with your payment method. And you'll have bought a product from AliExpress in the USA. And it's that simple, guys, and that's how you do it. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.